Feelings ng person mo towards you. So, tingnan natin. Ano ang nararamdaman niya towards you. Tingnan muna natin kung ano yung mga signs, zodiac signs na for this reading as a sign na para sa inyo tong reading na to. Okay? Okay, Aries. Next. Pisces. And Taurus. So, Aries, Taurus, tsaka Pisces. Pwede rin namang hindi, no? Depende yan sa inyo kung makaka-resonate kayo rito. Ano yung feelings ng person nyo towards you? Feelings ng person. Four of Cups. Feeling niya may pagkukulang ka sa kanya. Or feeling niya may pagkukulang siya sa'yo. Na meron kasi ritong meron siyang gustong, may binibigay siya, okay? Binibigay niya lahat, o yung kaya niya sa relationship. Pero parang hindi ito na napapahalagahan, gano'n. Five of Cups, oh. So, maaring itong relationship na to is, andun na yung panghihinayang. Kasi maaring hindi nyo na ma-maximize yung relationship to its fullest potential. Alam niyo yun? So, let's see ano pa. The Six of Pentacles. Pwede kasing sa relationship na to, mas lamang yung isa. So, for example, mas lamang siya pagdating sa effort kaysa dun sa isa. Or, mas nagmamahal yung isa kaysa dun sa isa. And I also see here na parang yung person mo, feeling niya, hindi mo siya napapahalagahan. The Five of Pentacles, so feeling left in the cold. Feeling niya, wala kang, ano ba to? Parang wala ka raw sa kanyang pakialam. Oo. Bakit ganon ang nafe-feel? The Lovers. But this person still loves you. This person is still committed sa'yo. Whether you are not connecting right now, or kasi pwedeng nagkaroon na ng hiwalayan dito, or you are not talking eh. But the love is still there. Okay? Let's see. Ano yung gustong sabihin ng person, ng collective? Ano yung gustong sabihin? Ghosted. Oh my God. Kinost mo ba tong person na to? That makes sense, no? With the Five of Pentacles. Ghosted. Kaya siguro feeling niya wala kang pakialam sa kanya. Kasi feeling nga niya, ginost mo siya. Pwedeng sinisin mo lang yung mga messages niya. Or hindi ka nagre-reply. Alam mo yun? Or kung mag-reply ka man, ang tabang. Alam mo yun? Tipo parang, okay, sige, gano'n. Tinanong natin. Emotional intimacy. Natatakot siyang mag-open up sa'yo. Oo. Pwedeng meron siyang nag-hold back pa siya sa feelings rin niya towards you. And I think na napansin mo rin yun. May fantasy. Oh, ikaw ang fantasy niya. You are my fantasy. I have pictures and videos saved of you. O, diba? Naka-save ang mga videos at pictures mo. Dito sa person mo. Oh my God, this person even wants to have kids with you. So, pwede na pag-usapan niyo yan. Kaya lang parang ikaw yung hindi emotionally invested sa kanya, no? I think I have seen you in my dreams before. This feeling is strangely pulling me towards you. Napapanaginipan ka niya. You feel like home. I think this person really wants to take your relationship to the higher level. Kumbaga, gusto niya ang higher level of commitment. Kaya lang, feeling niya kasi kulang yung kaya niyang ibigay sa'yo. Oo, feeling niya hindi mo na-appreciate yung kaya niyang ibigay sa relationship. So, let's see where's this relationship going. Saan ka papunta? The world. So, this can be a long-distance relationship. 8 of Pentacles. And then the 9 of Pentacles. I think, itong relationship ninyo will go through some changes na darating to sa point na mas magiging tangible or mas makikita mo yung effort ng person na to towards you. Kasi some of you, lalo na Taurus energy, no? Meron kasi kanina rito na Taurus. Maaring gusto mo ng stability. And this person, you feel like this person is hindi pa niya kaya ibigay sa yung stability na gusto mo. Temperance. Merong paghihintay, may patience. So, maaring you're waiting for this moment na, yung relationship niyo is mag-level up. But at the same time, yung person mo, medyo parang kumbaga natatabangan siya sa pagtrato mo sa kanya. So, if you want this person to, be with you, kung sure ka naman na sa kanya, ipakita mo kung kumbaga, ipakita mo kung ano yung dinideserve niya sa relationship. Kasi parang naghihintay lang naman to sa'yo eh. Oo. Meron kayong potential eh, na magkaroon ng stability. Moving forward, you have the Knight of Pentacles, King of Wands, Four of Wands, Ace of Wands, new beginning. Three of Wands, meron ditong expansion. So eventually, this relationship might become a serious type of relationship in the future kung mas pahalagahan mo yung person that you're dealing with. Okay? So, that is your reading, collective. Thank you so much. See you again.